Hola familia, how's it going? Today we are going to be making omelets. Alright, so to begin, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the ingredients that we're going to be working with, and then I'll continue chopping them up. Now after seeing the ingredients that we're going to work with, let's begin with the potatoes. Today we're just going to be using 2 potatoes. We're going to be cooking for 1, so let's go ahead and do that. We got 1 potato. Gonna do 2 potato, 3 potato, 4. No, we're not gonna do that many. If there were more people, we would definitely be doing 4. Now I'm gonna wash these. I know it might not make sense to people because you know we already peeled it, so we already got rid of all the dirt and everything. But it's just a habit of mine to wash everything I cut, or to wash the potatoes, anyways. Okay. Next thing we're gonna do is actually throw this away. I'm gonna wash this pepper. Let's go ahead and cut this up. Now I know there probably has to be an easier way to cut all of this up, but so if you guys cut vegetables up a different way, anything else that you guys might think it's easier to do or more quote-unquote professional, go ahead and comment in the comments below on how you cut your vegetables. Gonna put this in a bowl. Alright, next, onions. Which is gonna use half for today. Now, there was a way that a friend actually showed me how to cut it. Actually, that came out pretty fine. I mean, it's still slices, but some of them are diced up pretty nice. All right then. So that's all we have. Wait. Hold on. All right then. So we're gonna put these right here. Okay. And lastly, we're gonna cut potatoes. Well, not lastly. And second to lastly, we're gonna cut the potatoes. Or actually, what am I doing? Hold up. You know what? I think I like my friend's way better. Definitely gonna keep doing it my friend's way next time, because it keeps everything together, which is kind of nice, instead of having to do different sections like this in order to dice them up. Yeah, see, this just takes twice as long. It's like you gotta go over each section individually. Alright, so the reason why I said we're not quite done is because I remember showing you guys two things. I remember showing you broccoli, and I remember showing you meat. So we're gonna cut up the broccoli first and then we'll do the meat. Okay, sounds good? Sounds good.
So it's like cutting up inches.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in with the toppings that we're gonna put in. Alright, and here comes the meat. Good. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here's the next thing we're going to do. We have two pots here. One is going to be dedicated to frying the meat, and the other one is going to be for the omelet, okay? Actually, we need three, and the reason why we called out for three is because we also want a pot dedicated to making the potatoes. Now, of course, if you want to do a juggling net and just do it with two, so that way you don't have to wash a lot of pans afterwards, you can. I'm just gonna make it easy for myself and have three working at the same time. Cool? Alright, so first things first, let's get some oil.
Let's start using this one for the potatoes.
And this one we'll start using for the meat. For the record, I have the potatoes on high while I have the meat on low. Okay, I'm turning it down to medium. That way the oil doesn't continue jumping at me. Ah! Next thing I'm gonna add in is the onions. I like my fried onions. You know, it's one of the things I really like to see. I really like seeing this, like the blood coming out of the meat. It's just really satisfying. To me, that indicates like it's juicy. Alright, so while we have that going on, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bowl, I'm going to wash it real quick. And then I'm going to put 3 eggs in there. I'm going to try doing that one-handed. Ah, it works kind of. Okay, so for whisking, or not whisking, but for mixing it, for breaking the eggs, I would definitely recommend a fork. I just don't got a fork right now, so I'm going to do this. Okay, the knife. And then you can put in your quote-unquote toppings that you cut so well. Let's put in some oil. Let's go ahead and pour this in now. Okay. Alright, so you want to flip it when it gets to, when you start seeing the yellow, like it starts to not be liquid anymore. So once you see that, then you just do that. You grab it from one end. I think it might have been too soon. I think I might have flipped it too soon because it broke halfway. Alright guys, so that is it. This is our masterpiece that we made. Now of course, I don't know how much salt you guys like, but gonna add some salt to mine. Of course, if you're putting on any hot sauce, who remembers this? If you're putting on any hot sauce like Tapatio, Valentina, anything else, I think the salt is already taken care of. And I'm putting crushed red pepper instead of black pepper. Alright, so also don't forget to clean after yourself. Yeah, we're not gonna look at how the kitchen looks right now, but yeah, use less plates and dishes if you can, so you don't have to clean as much. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.